All right, let's see. 2, 3. Yo, yo. Now look at this. It's clean. You can probably see my eye bags. I haven't slept for shit. My dude Lamar hasn't either. He looks tired. He got a headache, but we're here. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. Come here, Ace. Come here. All right. What's going on, guys? It's Kali back again with another video. This time with my son Ace. So he's a year and 8 months now, and we're gonna attempt to cut his hair once again. It's been his this is his 3rd haircut, so let's hope it comes out good, and let's see how this goes. All right, so first let's take off his sweater because he's gonna get anxious. Let's see. Damn, bro. Check this out. Come on, come on. There you go. See, you know what's up, Ace? Okay. Okay, cool. Let's put the cape on. Oh, wait. Let's see. How are we gonna do this, brother? Let's see. Grab your bottle. You're gonna hate this part. You're gonna hate this part. Let's see. Grab this hand. Y ahorita yo grab it. All right. You can take off your hand. Acá, Lola. He's like, nah, bro, nah. A ver, saca tus manitas. Saca tus manitas. All right. A ver. There you go. There you go. Like, is that better? All right. He's like, bro, take this off. All right, let's do it. Let's do it, Ace. Mira. Get on this side. Look at this. Whoa, look at that. There you go. There you go. There you go. See, it's not that bad today, I guess. We'll see, we'll see. We're gonna try to do it as fast as possible. See, this is an easy haircut. He's gonna do a 3 on the sides, square sideburns, square back. Pretty simple stuff, you know. He got thin hair, so it's fairly easy. And he got his show on. What is this anyways? Baby bone, Dennis, or what is it? Something else? So he's kind of calm. I hope he stays like this through the whole haircut. Let's see. He needed a haircut too, though. Let's see. There you go. There you go. Me. How's your face? God. Oh, man. Oh, no. You're gonna not like this. You're gonna be all itchy, bro. Hold up. Wait. My bad. Hold up. See, so as you can see, guys, he kind of lost it a little bit. Look, he got no shoe. He's trying to go with Tia now. Look, let's see. Come on. We're gonna finish this haircut, bro. What? Come on, let's go. Let's go back. Let's go back. All right. Second try. Let's see. Look. Look at the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, don't hi. Hell no. He's like, hell nah, boy. Okay. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah. All right, so this is the 3rd time trying it. He got his bottle now. It's spilling all over the place, but it's all right. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right, Ace, you're gonna have to take this, brother. Come on, son. Here. I'll give it to you. There you go. Use a bottle's a good idea. Take your bottle. Alright, so we're taking advantage of this right now because this guy got the bottle, he's chilling, you know, so we gotta try to hurry up. And damn, I didn't even put the clip right. Look at that. And by the way, this video is gonna be a little bit more raw. It's not gonna be too much of a cool looking video, you know what I mean? So, but stay tuned for the cool looking one. Look at this guy, he's losing it. I would try to give it to him. Hey, one thing I'm wondering, I wonder if this guy's gonna have a beer. What do you guys think? You guys think he's gonna have a beer by the time that he's what, 14? Because that's when I had it. So check this out, guys. The hardest part of a kid is the back. This bottom part gets pretty crazy. They either tickle or they move. It's either or. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I guess he's all right. Hey, shout out to level 3. Look at these bottles. Look at this spray. It's pretty clean. Nice. So we're gonna spray the top. Just a bit. Sorry, son. We're almost done. Nothing crazy. There you go. When we get home, we're gonna take a bath. All right.
You want to see it?
Random shit. So check this out, guys. So we're almost done. We just did the guideline in the center. Now we're pretty much just following that guideline, right? And I don't know, it was meant to be. This haircut was meant to be because he's not moving, he's chilling, you know, he's watching TV. He's just chilling, man. I love it. I almost want to go for a bald fade, but nah. Let's leave that for another video. All right, guys, so I would really like to know what you guys would like to see next. I'm trying to stay in tune with this YouTube, so let me know, please. Comment below and subscribe. Look at you taking this haircut real smooth, bro. All right. What? Smile. There you go. No? Damn, bro, you got milk all over the cake? Okay, dude. All right. All right. Grab this. All right. All right, so as you can see, guys, I had to take out the K because he wasn't having it anymore. But we're almost done. Probably gonna give him a part on the left side. Look what's gonna happen right now. He's gonna stick to the TV. Look at him, look at him. Oh, snap, you did it, huh? Look at you. Look at you, Ace. All right, here's your bottle. Yeah, yeah. Ready? Oh, oh, oh. There you go. See, it's not that hard, right? Don't fall. This is cool because now you can plan it. Esto sí, I mean, you can plan it. I mean, he's just focusing on me. So, I gotta be able to sit him down in the chair, bro. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ahí va. Okay, ahí te van los pantalones. Go to the left. So I'm gonna go to the left, all right?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, así está bien. Luego la corbata, maybe?
Straight up or?
Oh, go up.
3.
Ahí está. Let me find out these things. Oh my God, I'm putting it in the wrong. Man, bro, what's up with your foot, cuz? ¿Qué pasó, güey? You want my hat? And this shit. I got you. Ahorita I'll open it for you. Like this. You clip it out, I think. Just pour it in my hand. Pour it on, and then pour it in him. ¿Está? Damn, this looks fire. Like, I like how it smells too. All right, guys, so we're pretty much done with the haircut. You seen, we dressed him up. He's getting dirty already. Dressed him up, comb his hair, something real basic, you know, nothing crazy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe if you would like to see more. See you on the next one.